tell you a little bit about the RMT Genius cold saw. Kyle Jorgensen and his crew set us up with this machine, and it has increased our productivity in our saw bay. This was a repeat order for us. We always cut 1,000 pieces through our bandsaw, and that job would typically take 3.5 days and 2 bandsaw blades. This job on the RMT cold saw takes 4 hours now for 1,000 pieces, a 2 5/16 cold rolled round 1045. Excellent productivity. These parts go into a CNC lathe and get the center cord out and faced to turn into a bushing. When we were cutting these on the bandsaw, the cuts, if the condition of the blade wasn't observed, the cut would get out of square and we'd have chucking issues in our machining centers. Now that we're using the RMT cold saw, that's no longer an issue. Big thanks to Kyle Jorgensen and the team at RMT Machine Tools for increasing the productivity in our saw bay. Thanks a lot, guys.